So today we are headed back over to our friend's house over there in Butler, that really cool old house. I think we got a pretty good game plan, so we're going to get over there. I think we're going to get on top of the roof, get that cleaned off, and see what we get into. Yeah, I'm interested to check out this roof and see what kind of condition it's in, and see if we can figure out where this roof leak is coming from. Yeah, so let's head over there. Let's see what we get into. We're back. Yep, we are back. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be today. It's a little chilly.
It's a little chilly.
I wish we had snow, but today I'm glad we don't.
Did you check the temperature? Are we above freezing?
We should be, yeah, 36, I think.
Yeah. Did you bring your Flex Seal?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Yep, got my Flex Seal.
Okay. So, yeah, guys, if you can remember, we stopped by the other day to visit a friend of ours. Has some questions about home maintenance, home projects, did a little walk around, and so we're back today to help her out. Yep. So got some tools with us. We're gonna hop up on a roof.
Yeah.
Maybe cut a hole in something.
Yeah. We got some saws, we got some ladders.
I brought my hammer and some
screwdrivers, so we're gonna do some work.
All right, let's help her out. Let's do it. Roof first.
Let's do it.
No, it's not something that's like a big deal really, but just like we were explaining the other day, if she doesn't get all these leaves off of there, it's gonna create ice damming and build up all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
So I got a broom, we got a blower.
Yep.
All right, let's clear this bad boy off.
Look at this. Look at this.
Ice and some mold and
Look how wet that is. Yeah, soaking wet.
so this is what I'm talking about. If you don't get the leaves off of there, this moisture, it's already ice, and the rest of the roof is already thawed out for the day. This is just trapping ice up in there, and that will work its way up underneath the shingle and get to your roof deck and start rotting that out. So super important to get up here and give her a whirl.
Watch the step.
Oh, yeah. So our friend is also talking about a little bit of a leak, and it's right inside of the closet. When it rains really, really hard, she's getting water in the light, and it's like the closet's like right here, right about where your foot is, I think.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's from the flashing, but the flashing looks okay, right?
Yeah.
I mean, even though there's a gap right here, I mean, if they flashed all the way back here and did that properly, then you should be good.
That's how they're supposed to.
Supposed to.
Yeah, it feels like.
Yeah.
I don't know.
What was your theory?
It could be the condensation building up in that exhaust pipe, and then maybe there's a leak in the exhaust pipe. It's like right here. But without getting in the attic, it's hard to tell.
Yeah. I don't know if Flex Seal is going to work for this project.
I was really hoping to use Flex Seal. We're not sponsored by Flex Seal yet. Maybe someday. I was hoping to use this stuff, but on this roof leak, we're not going to be able to do it. And we couldn't find a hole or anything that was obvious for why water was getting in. But looking at the vent, it took me a second. I was like, why does this look so weird? And the roof vents weren't installed correctly. And so what's happening is water is getting in through these little side vents, which that's what they're supposed to do. And then this top flange, you'll see if you were actually to pop this vent off and just look at it by itself, there's a flange that runs all the way around here, and that's supposed to run over the top of the shingles, and then that runs over these shingles, and everything's supposed to overlap. So as water gets in, it flows out, runs down the roof. Well, now somebody has put these shingles on over that flange and caulked and sealed around it, basically creating a trap for water to build up, and it's causing some water damage to the roof deck, and it's starting to result in a leak. So it's a little bit bigger than the project than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, we were looking at it going, there's something that's not right with this, and then kind of noticed that the bottom of the flange wasn't sticking out. And then Seth, being a skilled home inspector, problem finder that he is, show him how you were finding the roof rot, the deck.
Oh, I mean, yeah, you hear it, folks? No, I'm just kidding. A lot of times, if you just push around on the deck, you'll feel it. I mean, I just, from doing it a lot, it's super hard here, and it's not super hard there. You can almost hear it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So there's definitely some wood rot going on underneath there.
So Flex Seal's probably not going to fix this. Probably a bigger project. Probably need to remove this, go back, and actually do it the right way. So good news is we found the real issue.
Yeah.
Bad news is Flex Seal's not going to fix this one today. So I think that was a pretty good day. Got to get on top of a roof. That's always fun.
Yeah.
And I think we got to knock out some of the important stuff for her. But, just like any old home, they're always kind of a work in progress.
Yeah. Well, that home is in great shape, and she's done an excellent job keeping up on it. But, just old homes, they always need a little something. Unfortunately, we were able to figure out what was causing the roof leaks. And at some point in history, somebody installed the roof vents incorrectly. And so that's what's causing this roof leak. I think we're going to have to bring a contractor out maybe to get that addressed. But, the place is going to be rocking and rolling and ready for the next season. So stay tuned for more. We'll be out helping out some more of our favorite people and be giving you guys some more tips and tricks on home ownership. Yeah, and like and subscribe. It helps our channel and it makes us feel good. Yeah, so see you next week.